It's Mother's Day this weekend, and Greenland is bursting with some great ideas for mom. I'm Deb Sermon, and I'm excited today to share some of my favorite gift ideas that I think I would like as a mom. Whether your mom is a gardener or not, Greenland has a beautiful selection of pretty much anything that she would like. Of course, because we are a garden center, my favorites always include plants. Especially for Mother's Day this year, we have created beautiful containers that actually can be put on a garden table, by a patio, or even indoors by a sunny window. When you come into Greenland, you'll see a beautiful selection of great colors and styles of specialty containers made just for mom. If you're more into a burst of color, our hanging baskets come in so many different colors. One of my favorites is the white one that I'm showing you today, but we have so many different styles that are perfect for Mother's Day. She'll appreciate it because she can enjoy it all season long. And then if you want something a little bit more long-term, why not visit our perennial department? Our perennials have a beautiful selection of clematis, peonies, irises, all sorts of things that are in bloom that mom can plant in her garden and they'll actually grow year after year. A classic favorite for any mom would be a rose. Our roses range from tea roses that you can just put on a patio to the very tough hardy shrub roses that you can plant and enjoy year after year. Greenland grows over 3,000 beautiful roses, and our selection right now is magnificent. If you're not sure which one to buy for mom, just bring her in and help her choose. She's going to love them. Along with our beautiful selection of plant ideas, we have an amazing selection of other gift ideas. Sharon, our giftware buyer, is here to share some of her favorite picks for Mother's Day.
Thank you, Deb. Yes, as you know, Greenland has so many different gift ideas for mom. But I've chosen a few here that were made locally here in Canada to show you today. One of our favorite new designers, Anne-Marie Chagnon, is from Montreal. She has fabulous jewelry pieces. I carry her necklaces and her earrings, all with sterling silver plated, gold plated, and semi-precious stones. I'm sure that you're bound to find something for mom from this fabulous designer. Another one of our staff favorites is the milk jar candles. They're made in Calgary, all based with coconut and soy. They have a wood wick and they have fabulous, fabulous scents. They're just a really, really nice gift, and nice, of course, to have something local. From Saskatchewan, we have Pine Tree Innovations with all of our fun signs. We have wine-flavored candles, mugs. One of my favorites is "The world needs nanas," because the grandkids aren't going to spoil themselves. What a great gift for Nana, Grandma. Something that sells really well here at Greenland are these fabulous bath bombs. What a nice way to spoil mom with these essential oil bath bombs, all made in Winnipeg, or a nice soothing bath soak. Soothing Skin is one of the styles, and Sweet Dreams and the Beauty Sleep is another. What a great little gift for mom. If you come into the store and you just can't find something for mom or grandma, we do have Greenland Garden gift cards available from branches and the store. You can purchase them at our cache or online. We hope to see you at Greenland soon. We're surrounded by all these beautiful plants right now and lots of great gift ideas. And I want to wish all you moms out there a very happy Mother's Day.